Now let's just quickly go and take a look at an example. So here's phase 2, task 1, and you can see there is a spreadsheet. This is what the learner did for phase 2, task 1. Spreadsheet, database that was created. And the learner decided to do a website. So there we go. You can see the links between the different pages. There's even a reference list here, taking you to different sites, links. So yeah, very, very nicely done. Simple and effective to get the marks. Let's have a look at another one. This is just so you can get a full idea of what's expected. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. There's a PowerPoint that was created. And you can see everything that was done there, folks. This is what is required. Okay, so this is phase 2, task 1. They did an Excel spreadsheet as well. Pivot table, pivot chart, different charts there as well. So a lot of work went into this. And this was just getting everything sorted for this particular task. So there you go. Those are 2 examples of what your phase 2, task 1 should look like.